Hi, Tanya ma'am.
How are you? You look
Good.
as charming as ever, huh? So the lockdown hasn't done anything for you. It's enhanced your beauty all the more.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So, friends, it's our pleasure to have Miss Tanya Joshi, the principal of the Indian School, with us. She has always been an inspiration for me, and I'm sure for all of you. She's always boosted me whenever I felt low, and like she's put her school from levels to where. So, Tanya ma'am, pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you
Uh,
so much, Kritika.
Since the time everyone knew you joining me, I was flooded with questions. So I'll be
Uh-huh.
asking few questions which have been asked to me by the parents. So the
Okay.
first question which was asked was, how in lockdown, how are you managing the students, and like what is the school working over it?
So, it was very nice that we started with virtual classes. Most of the schools are doing that, and we use the technology of Zoom, but we were told that it's not too safe. So we went in for G Suite, that is from Google. And we've been
Okay.
taking our classes, and you'll be surprised to know that we've taken classes right from nursery to class 12. And the
Oh,
response has been really good because parents like it a lot. The course is also going on, children are busy. And like one parent from class 12 told me that thank you so much, ma'am. At least there is a direction that is there in their life now. So it's very heartening to see the way children have also taken to it.
so it's being very constructive for them.
Absolutely, totally, very positive, very, very positive.
Right. So Tanya ma'am, do you feel that obesity is adding to this scenario? Because I think everyone is sitting at home and the physical activity is actually it's actually negligible. We are not doing any physical activity, and then we're just binge eating and बस बैठ के हम couch potato बन के खा रहे हैं with our phones in our hand. So is obesity leading to the shutdown?
You're absolutely right. You know that initially, in fact, there were so many students who would say that they sleep late because watching Netflix and everything, get up late, no time for exercising, nothing, and binge eating was a big, big thing, And now, if
Yeah.
you see, like somebody was telling me that people who don't even cook are, getting into cooking pizzas and all kinds of exotic dishes because that's
Yeah.
how it's like time pass, literally time pass. And you're right that definitely children are maybe becoming a little bit heavier, not only the children, but even like parents, even like us. So it's very important that one understands what is the importance of physical exercise. But it's hard to note that, when I go on my terrace, I
Yeah.
can see so many people using their terrace in a very constructive way because the terrace
Right.
has so you're very right in what you're saying.
Yeah. So, ma'am, actually, if we had noticed in America, there is a syndrome called metabolic syndrome which came up. जिसमें क्या हो रहा था वो लोग सिर्फ बैठ के खा रहे थे processed foods and canned foods, and they
Right.
landed having more of obesity. So, America has more cases of COVID because obesity was high. So, what
Absolutely.
I think, so हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हम लोगों को पेरेंट्स को, टीचर्स को, स्टूडेंट्स को हमें ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हम लोग अपना वेट इंक्रीज ना करें. वी शुड बी
Right.
वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट, क्योंकि अगर हमारा वेट इंक्रीज हो गया तो जो हमारी इम्यूनिटी है वो लो हो जाएगी.
So, in fact, like, when somebody got to know that I was doing a live session with you, so the immediate thing was, ma'am, will you ask her? Maybe she can take a session with the children or with the parents because everybody's worried, everybody's worried that they don't want to put that excess weight on because to
Yeah.
put on is very easy, but to get
Yeah,
rid
to
of it
shed
is
it off is
very tough,
difficult.
very tough. Yeah, so
Right.
that's the thing. But
Yeah.
you're absolutely correct.
So मैम,
Yeah.
इन दैट केस वी कैन सजेस्ट दैट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज, क्योंकि हम लॉकडाउन में हो गए हैं और हम लोगों ने ना एक पर्टिकुलर जो एक रूटीन था, पहले हम लोग एक रूटीन फॉलो करते थे, इतने बजे उठना है,
Right.
इतने बजे सोना है और इतने बजे खाना है. तो मील टाइम हमारा डिसाइडेड नहीं है, अब हमारा स्लीप टाइम डिसाइडेड नहीं है. सो आई थिंक हम लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी हैव टू लर्न टू लिव विद इट, क्योंकि दिस लॉकडाउन इज डेफिनेटली गो ऑन फॉर लॉन्ग, एंड
Absolutely.
स्कूल भी
Absolutely.
जल्दी ओपन नहीं होंगे. तो
Yeah,
हमें
true.
एक सोने का रूटीन, एक मील कितने बजे खाना है उसका रूटीन हमें सेट करना चाहिए.
Right.
राइट. और
I think
एक्सरसाइज.
you're correct because without routine तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा. जैसे पहले बच्चों
राइट.
का ये get up at 6 o'clock and then they go, to
Hmm.
school, get ready. There's a little bit of exercises even going on in schools. But
Hmm.
now that sedentary lifestyle, उठो, washroom जाओ, breakfast table पे बैठ जाओ, थोड़ी सी classes
Right.
attend करो. And most of the
Hmm.
children are very happy with the technology because they are quite tech savvy. So you're right that,
Yeah.
they have a routine where they say, okay, fine, this is what you're going to eat, this is when you're going to get up, this is when you're going to do your exercises.
Right. So I think they should take care of all these things. ओबिसिटी को
Absolutely.
तो कंट्रोल रखें, वेट को कंट्रोल रखें और अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल रखें.
Yeah.
मेरे ख्याल
Because
से मैम.
actually, yeah, Gitika, you just said the right thing that until and unless you have a healthy body, you cannot have a healthy mind, you
Right.
know. So if you're obese, no way is that mental balance going to be there.
और मैम पेरेंट्स का क्या करें, पेरेंट्स की इतनी क्वायरीज आई है मेरे पास, दे आर नॉट एबल टू हैंडल द मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ द चिल्ड्रेन. चिल्ड्रन आर
Hmm.
अंडरगोइंग अंडर एंजाइटी डिप्रेशन, दे आर नॉट एबल टू टेक दिस लोनलीनेस, क्योंकि उन लोगों को अभी तक आदत था पियर में घूमने की, ट्यूशन
Right,
सेंटर्स
right.
जाने की, स्कूल्स जाने की. और अब ऑल ऑफ अ सडन दे आर अंडर द लॉकडाउन एंड लाइक दे जस्ट विद द नेटफ्लिक्स एंड Z5 एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ.
Yeah,
तो
yeah, yeah.
पेरेंट्स बच्चों को हैंडल कैसे करें, एंजाइटी डिप्रेशन से एंड फोन से कैसे बाहर निकालें? Please answer this question for them.
Okay. So, that's one of the most important things that's like a irony that, पहले हम खुद ही बच्चे को फोन देते हैं और फिर
Hmm.
उसके बाद कहते हैं कि no, you can't be on the phone the whole time. So
Yeah.
it's ironical, but it's very true. I feel, like when you said that there should be a routine about your eating and sleeping and everything, there should also be a routine about, okay, this in the evening it's family time. So maybe 2 hours, everyone sitting together, maybe whether you're talking, it's not necessary always to sit down and play Ludo. It's not always
Yeah.
necessary.
Right.
But
Right.
even if you are talking, so the
Hmm.
channel of communication between the parent and the child has to be open. Where you see, this is a time which we are never going to get again. So in fact, take it
Hmm.
positively and see that yes, what can you do out of this? It's like that.
Hmm.
So
Right.
when you kind of like sit with the parents and sit with the grandparents, there's so much exchange, the experience that these people have, the parents have, and which can be utilized by the children. So I feel that mental health at this point of time can be ensured if the parents play a very proactive and a positive role. But if for everything you're going to keep checking the child and says, ye mat karo, wo mat karo, ye mat karo, the child is going to go into a cocoon. Because for the
Hmm.
child right now also it's very difficult to handle a lockdown, as
Right.
you said,
Right. Right.
that you can't go out, you can't play, you
Hmm.
can't go to school. So as the parent is feeling frustrated sitting at home, I mean, 100% I'm quite sure husband wife
Yeah.
also have not seen each other for 24 hours all the time, which we are doing.
Actually,
So
and it's been
you just
60 days now.
yeah, so you just have to deal with it, but deal with
Yeah.
it in a way which you can kind of like say, yes, let me enjoy it, rather
Right.
than going cribbing, cribbing, cribbing.
Right. And I think they should, children, they can, like children and like teachers and parents, all of us can listen to good music and like
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can meditate and we can do little yogas, and there are many online quizzes which are happening. So children
true.
can put themselves into them, and then वो लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, जो मुझे पता चला है, like I have to remind my kids of drinking water. So yeah, like if I say
Yes,
them पानी पी लो,
right,
so they will
right.
say, they say कि आप पानी पीने के लिए बोलते रहते हो. So in that ways, what I did with my son, he's 7 years old. So I made a game for him. I told him that Vian, see, you're 7 years old, so you have to drink 7 glasses of water in a day.
Water.
So now,
Okay,
yeah. So now he's able to correlate कि okay, मैं 7 years
right.
का हूँ, तो मुझे 7 glass water पीना है. So
पीना
it's
है.
like, yeah, so it's like we have to put these things into them, but in a very friendly and in a very activity
Yeah,
ways.
yeah. So you
Hmm.
you can't, you see, the minute you can't even force a nursery child today that if you say, okay, fine, you're going to sit here quietly for the whole day, that doesn't happen. But if you understand, make the child understand that it's for your benefit, it's for your good, then the child definitely will take to it. And yes, yoga, meditation, which can be done by the entire family together at times. So,
मैम हम
that,
डांस भी तो कर सकते हैं बच्चों के साथ.
yes, yes.
कितना बड़ा
The
डी स्ट्रेसर होता है डांस करना.
Absolutely. I mean, when I go on my terrace, I've got a house which is like a little bit far, but I can hear the music booming, and
Yeah.
that gives you such a kick yourself. So,
Right.
music has always been a very positive feature.
राइट। एंड मैम अभी
Yeah.
क्या टाइम है, अभी मेरे ख्याल से टाइम है जब बच्चों अपनी फेवरेट हॉबीज में इंडल्ज कर सकते हैं। जैसे आई मेड माय डॉटर डू, यू नो, शी वांटेड टू डू डिजिटल डिजाइनिंग, so she has
Okay.
done graphic designing का course now because she
Uh-huh.
always wanted to do and she had interest in it. तो जो ऐसी
Okay.
हॉबीज जो बच्चे टाइम नहीं दे पाते थे, एंड केक
That they can, yeah,
मेकिंग या
they
लाइक
can
पैन
utilize that
केक
time. Yeah.
मेकिंग, यस, पहले
So,
क्या होता था हम लोग।
yeah, they used to be busy, most of the time. So, for
राइट।
example, we requested our children that tell us what you're doing during the lockdown and
या।
make a small video of it. So
ओ।
there was a 4-year-old child who's going to go who's going to his little balcony and he is watering his plants. There is
हाउ
somebody
स्वीट।
who's doing a lovely painting. There's somebody who's dancing, on the
राइट।
terrace of music and is dancing. So yes, you're very right that this is the time where they reinvent themselves because it's not only the parents who are kind of, reinventing themselves, it's our children also.
स्टार्ट होती थी और 12th स्टार्ट होती थी, तो फर्स्ट डे से एक पंप होता था कि हमारे 10th के बोर्ड्स हैं, 12th के बोर्ड्स हैं। हाउ आर यू मेकिंग देम कोप अप विद दिस थिंग? उनको आप
So,
कैसे उनके अंदर वो एनर्जी ला रहे हो?
yeah, so rather than stressing them about it, it's just that, you kind of speak to them. So we've had sessions with psychologists, our own, we have in-house psychologists also who talk to the
ओके।
children, the counselors, and tell them what is important at this stage of their life. Like there have been cases where the children, when they are in on this particular G suit and they are studying, so one of them will write some kind of a comment which is like okay, let me get to you at 4 o'clock in the evening or something. So now
ओके।
that chat is allowed during your classes. So one has to keep reorienting them that what
ओके।
you're doing is not correct because uh, the lockdown is going to get over, at whatever time, you never know. So maybe
या।
if it goes beyond even September, then one has to realize that, well, what is going to happen? So that's that responsibility, and the student of today is a very intelligent individual, so most of them understand that yes, uh, it's not that it's going to be totally hunky dory. We have to get out into the real world and we have to face all these things.
व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट जब स्कूल ओपन हो जाएंगे, तो आपका स्कूल क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस ले रहा है उसके लिए?
So, Gitika, that's just hardly half an hour back. I was attending a webinar by CBSC. So they were also
ओके।
saying that, what your school is like. How is it placed? So what are the precautions that you're going to take? Now, definitely tell a nursery or a KG child that you are not going to be sitting next to another child is very difficult because they don't understand.
राइट।
So
या।
whether they will be allowed in schools or not, what is going to happen, sanitization, masks, all those things will have to be slowly weaved into because that's going to be reality for us now. Mask is
या।
something which is essential, you know.
या।
So washing of hands, all these things will be put into practice. So we'll have to do that. But yes, we will look at the problem when we are nearing the issue as to what is to be done. Whether we're going to call them every alternate day, whether we are not going to call nursery and KG, when are we going to call them? All these things will be when you really get to know what the situation of COVID is at that point of time.
राइट। सो आई थिंक वी हैव टू लाइक अभी भी हमें क्या करना है, बच्चों को ज्यादा अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करनी है कि अपने
Right,
हैंड्स
right.
बार बार क्लीन करते
Yes, yes.
रहो, मास्क पहन के रखो व्हेनेवर यू गो आउट। सो वी
Right,
एक्चुअली हैव
right.
टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि अब हमें
Yeah.
इसके साथ लिव करना है।
Yeah, because I mean, it's a reality, and you can't say just brush it under the carpet and say कि ये कल चला जाएगा या एक गोली खा लूंगी ये खत्म हो जाएगा. No. So
राइट।
the sooner you make the child realize, I think the children are smart enough. They will follow. I mean, I
राइट।
think they will follow it better than even the elders will.
राइट। सो मैम हाउ आर यू स्पेंडिंग योर क्वारंटाइन?
You want to honestly know what my quarantine?
Yeah, definitely. Yes, and
So
everyone
so.
wants to know what Tanya ma'am is doing.
So I take my classes. That is an important part of my day. I
Yeah.
do my chapu, I do my mutton, I do my pucha,
Okay.
I make my food, and I spend time with my children, my son and my daughter. So, and then, both of us are, because my husband is also working from home. So
Okay.
we are busy, like he's in one part of the house, I'm in the other part of the house. But like,
Right.
we'll go and meet each other and say, hello, what is happening? How is everything and all that. So it's
Right.
nice. But we are kind of like, and then I go on my terrace, I try and exercise a little bit because that's what I've learned from you, that you have to keep your weight in check.
Yeah, थैंक यू सो मच. और मैम इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग के लिए क्या क्या ले रहे हो आप?
I think what all you had told me, I'm taking all those things, chia seeds and all those things. I think you would be a better person to tell us as to what we should do, what is the kind of food that we should eat,
मैम
and maybe what are the
we
immunity
can have
boosters.
this. I was just having this healthy water, okay,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
so this is one of the best thing which I'll suggest everyone to have. And इसके अंदर गर्म पानी के अंदर we have to have the कच्ची हल्दी. We don't have to take the हल्दी जो घर में सब्जी में यूज होती है. हमें
Okay,
कच्ची हल्दी
okay.
लेनी है from the सब्जी वाला. And we can
Uh-huh.
put black pepper, साबुत काली मिर्च, साबुत दालचीनी, and we can put few तुलसी leaves in it. और इसका
Okay,
composition बनाकर you can have it throughout the day or you can just have it once a day also.
okay.
तो
So that is
इससे
like
आपकी
boosts
yes
your immunity. Okay,
it
okay,
really boosts the immunity. I have few cases in which my clients actually called up and they said me कि गीतिका हमें ना symptoms लग रहे हैं, हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमें fever catch हो रहा है या हमें cough and cold catch हो रहा है या हमें
Right,
ऐसे लग
right.
रहा है कि हमारे पैर टेढ़े हो रहे हैं, मतलब they felt something unusual. So then I
Yeah,
suggested them, like I have actually, it was a very fearful time for me to take them out of it. So then I
okay,
suggested them that you keep on sipping this water throughout the day. आप पानी
right.
पीते रहो पूरा पूरा दिन so that you pass lot of urine. और थोड़ा सा अपने रूम में ही टहलो, just be in isolation. And when
Yeah,
they started drinking this water and they were throwing off the
okay.
toxins are thrown off, and मैम मतलब 2 दिन के बाद the calls came up and they said that we are fine.
Fine. We are feeling better.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
feeling better.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
then dark
Yeah.
chocolates were included in the diet, cranberries were
Okay,
included in the diet, and अदरक
okay.
लहसुन बहुत सारा खाने के लिए बोला गया. And I told them घर
Right,
का
right.
खाना खाओ. And light food के अंदर high fiber food include किया गया. विटामिन डी जरूरी है बॉडी के लिए. Pumpkin
Yeah,
seeds,
yeah.
sunflower seeds, nuts, almond, walnuts. तो इन सबको जब हमने ऐड किया डाइट के अंदर, so gradually जो इम्यूनिटी लो हो रही थी, the body was able to fight it back. अब जो
Absolutely.
इम्यूनिटी, हाँ तो और मैम आजकल आप देखो, पहले हम कहाँ कहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट करते थे. वी यूज टू गेट कॉल्स, यहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है, प्रॉपर्टी इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है, like policy investments were there. But I think
Yeah.
now what we have to do, we have to invest in our health.
Yes, because
Right.
if your health is not okay, that then at the end of the day, there's nothing. You can't do anything. I mean,
Right.
forget about even, and then these days, living in nuclear families and everything, one has to be very particular about how you are looking after yourself. It's important.
Right.
I think one can learn a lot from you.
Yeah, and I think now तो ये this quotation is right, that survival for the fittest. जो
Protest,
बिल्कुल
yes,
फिट है, जिसकी इम्यूनिटी
yes,
हाई है, वो उसको फाइट कर लेगा.
right, right, right.
तो व्हाट आई
Absolutely
फील
true.
इज कि हमें बहुत अच्छा अच्छा खाना खाना चाहिए, ध्यान रखना चाहिए अपना.
Yeah, sure. I think we'll
या
all follow what you're saying.
oh एनी टाइम मैम. इट वाज अ प्लेजर हैविंग यू मैम विद अस. थैंक यू
Thank
सो
you
मच
so
फॉर टेकिंग
much.
आउट टाइम.
Thank
थैंक यू
you.
मैम.
Thank you. And God bless all of
ओके
you.
मैम.
Thank you.